Namaskar.
Namaskar, dear viewers. The toughest of battles in human history we witnessed in the year 2021 ended up with us emerging on the top. After an eventful year that will be remembered for the grit, determination, and resilience of our people to withstand one of the most turbulent times ever, we are ready to embrace the new year 2022 with renewed hopes, expectations, and aspirations. However, before setting on the luminous journey with a new dawn in the new year, dear viewers, let's look back at some of the unforgettable moments, life-altering happenings, and vivid memories of the year that is about to bid adieu to us.
As the world continued to wrestle with the unprecedented implications of COVID-19 pandemic, SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant stood unmoved as a rock. Riding on the effective and integrated response, RSP not only bravely fought to provide a safety net to all the stakeholders based on an array of effective measures and multi-pronged approach, but also excelled in a strategic manner to post a remarkable performance in the calendar year. The steady and resolute journey of RSP on the face of stiff challenges posed by the prolonged second wave of the pandemic made the year 2021 momentous in the true sense. RSP's response to the nerve-wracking pandemic included its undeterred efforts to safeguard the employees, their families, and the residents of the Steel City through augmentation of healthcare facilities, massive sanitization drives, and widespread sensitization programs. When the whole country was grappling with the second wave of pandemic, RSP stood by the nation to save precious lives by supplying more than 20,000 tons of life-saving medical-grade liquid oxygen to different hospitals at every nook and corner of the country to meet the medical exigencies.
The major highlight of the year was the visit of the Honorable President of India, Shri Ramnath Kovind. On the 21st of March 2021, the Honorable President dedicated the Ispat Postgraduate Institute and Super Specialty Hospital of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant to the nation in a grand function organized at the hospital. Professor Ganeshi Lal, Honorable Governor of Odisha, along with the host of dignitaries were also present on the dais. It is worth mentioning here that keeping in view of the growing care needs of the people and the lack of super specialty facilities in this region, a 200-bed super specialty hospital has been set up with the initiative of Ministry of Steel Government of India. The augmented COVID ICU with 100 ventilator facilities for treatment of COVID patients at the Ispat Postgraduate Institute and Super Specialty Hospital of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant was dedicated by Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, the then Honorable Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel on 20th of May 2021 through online mode. Ispat Nidan Kendra, a newly developed state-of-art jumbo COVID treatment center, was inaugurated by Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan through virtual mode on 2nd of June 2021. The center has 100 oxygenated beds including 50 ventilator attached beds. RSP rolled out a massive vaccination drive in association with the district administration to inoculate all the residents of the Steel Township. Exclusive vaccination centers were set up across the Steel Township and the programs were widely publicized to cover maximum number of people.
While most of the industries were trying to limp back to normalcy, the cruel onslaught of second wave came as a major deterrent. The unwavering efforts of RSP Collective, together with the holistic approach of the top management, saw it not only to sustain the production trend but also crippling records one after the other and reaching major milestones. RSP reached the historic milestone of 100 million ton hot metal production on 5th July 2021, thus entering the elite club of steel industries with such a distinction. A 100-empty monument was unveiled in the township to mark the occasion. Another crucial milestone we witnessed in 2021 was the merger of mines of SAIL situated in Odisha under the erstwhile SAIL Raw Material Division being brought to the ambit of RSP. Known as the Odisha Group of Mines, it consists of Bolani Ore Mines, Barsua Iron Mine, Taldi Iron Mine, and Kalt Iron Mine. The merger has made Rourkela Steel Plant an integrated plant in the real sense.
recommencement of the rolling from the new state-of-art hot strip mill to on 31st of October 2021 as a part of the process of stabilization was another important event. It is worth mentioning here that 3 million ton mill had rolled out its first coil in January 2020. However, because of the COVID-19 pandemic and therefore unavailability of the external experts, the process of rolling was kept on hold. The Steel Melting Shop 2 Department of RSP registered the record sequence life on 27th of January 2021 from its caster 2 by casting 193 heats continuously. RSP rolled out 3000 tons of API grade pipes, both electrical resistant and spiral welded, to Indian Oil Corporation Limited and Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Well planned efforts and the dedication of employees of Traffic and Raw Material Department helped in achieving single day best record of 22 rake comprising empty and loaded wagons handover to Indian Railways Bondamunda on 20th of February 2021. RSP also clocked the best ever monthly specific energy consumption of 5.94 gigacalories per ton of crude steel in January 2021. The remarkable achievement in the key techno-economic front complements the record production performances by the major units of steel plant. Bolani Ores mines belonging to Odisha group of mines of RSP recorded all-time best monthly performance with the highest production of 7,06,671 tons of run-off mines, 4,74,855 tons of fines and 7,02,016 tons of lumps and fines in October 2021.
In order to remain competitive in the era of technology and globalized market, RSP has been making comprehensive efforts to integrate digitization in the production and service chain. A detailed roadmap for digital transformation and smooth migration of Industry 4.0 was unveiled by Mr. Deepak Chatraj, the then CEO RSP, in the program organized on hybrid mode on 16th July 2021. The myriad of initiatives include setting up of the Center for Digital Transformation at Research and Control Laboratory of the plant on 22nd September 2021, which was inaugurated by Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Works. He also inaugurated the latest digital intervention in the Digital Transformation Team, which is an Android-based dashboard of the Hot Strip Metal HSM overview in the Plant Status mobile app. The other digitization initiatives include successful implementation and go live of Supplier Relationship Management for Limited Tender Enquiry, a key SAP module on 23rd November, and online transfer of data of raw materials and iron zone analysis by RNC Lab and CNIT department to overview screen in the new Plant Status portal on 1st September 2021.
A picturesque garden, Ispat Sarovar Udyan, developed at Sector 6 was inaugurated on 26th of January 2021 by Mr. Deepak Chatraj, the then CEO of RSP. The highlight of the garden is a 70-meter tall pole with the Indian tricolour flying atop, instilling a sense of national pride amongst the onlookers. The spectacular park has a water body with an area of about 6,000 square meter. Ispat Phal Udyan, a new fruit orchard in Sector 8, was inaugurated by Mr. Deepak Chatraj on 7th of July 2021 as a part of Van Mahotsav observations. A model assistance center, Adarsh Sahayata Kendra, at Sector 7 was inaugurated that aims to decentralize the administrative mechanism of the township for better convenience of the general public. A number of public toilets were inaugurated in the township for the convenience of residents as well as people coming from all cities and villages. The remodeled administrative building gateway with a classy look and a scenic Prashashnik Udyan were inaugurated on 30th of July 2021.
Republic Day was celebrated with official decorum at the administrative building, while Independence Day was celebrated at Ispat Stadium, Sector 6, in compliance to the government guidelines pertaining to COVID-19. Sail Gaurav Divas was celebrated at Ispat Stadium on 24 January with pomp and gaiety. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations begin in SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant with a massive plantation drive on 12th August 2021. Mr. Amrendu Prakash, Director in charge BSL and RSP, led the drive by planting a Bakul sapling at Rourkela House. Simultaneous plantation activity was carried out adjacent to Sector 20 ground. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant joined the nationwide fitness drive by participating in Fit India Freedom Run launched to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Mr. Amrendu Prakash, Director in charge BSL and RSP, flagged off the event.
Some other occasions celebrated during the year includes National Safety Day on 4th of March, Women's Day on 8th of March, Fire Services on 14th of April, World Environment Day on 5th of June, National Sports Day on 29th of August, Rajbhasha Divas on 14th of September, Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October, Vigilance Week from 27th of October to 2nd of November, Quality Day on 11th of November, Constitution Day on 26th of November, and National Energy Conservation on 14th of December.
A seminar and talk on life and times of Shahid Birsa Munda was organized by RSP at Civic Center on 19th November 2021 to mark Janjatiya Gaurav Divas celebrations. The highlight of the evening was a mesmerizing play, Dharti Aaba, based on the life and struggle of Veer Birsa Munda, presented by the employees of RSP. A number of competitions were organized amongst employees and contract workers to create awareness regarding various relevant issues. A 6-day emergency response training program on disaster management was organized by National Disaster Response Force (NDRF) at RSP from 8th to 13th February 2021. The program was conducted by a team of personnel from 9th Battalion of NDRF.
RSP, as a part of its CSR initiatives, ventured into a number of new projects in the field of health, income generation, education, women empowerment, organic farming, culture, and sports.
The Olympian hockey stars of Odisha and their coaches were felicitated in a function organized on 4th September 2021 at DIC's Conference Hall, Manthan. Birendra Lakra, the vice captain of the bronze medal winning Indian team in Tokyo Olympics and celebrated alumnus of SAIL Hockey Academy of RSP, along with the other star hockey players of Sundargarh who shone in the Tokyo Olympics, namely Deep Grace Eka and Namita Topo, were present on the occasion. The SAIL Hockey Academy of RSP won the prestigious SNBP Under-16 All India Hockey Tournament 2021 held at Shri Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex, Pune from 9th November to 15th November 2021. In all, 24 teams from all over the country were in the fray. The RSP chess team emerged as the runners-up in the All India Inter-Steel Chess Championship 2021-22 held under the aegis of Steel Plants Sports Board SPSB at Visakhapatnam. The Rural Hockey Tournament 2021 Men was organized by RSP to mark Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav from 26th to 27th October 2021 at Biju Patnaik Hockey Stadium, Sector 5. Jalda RS Colony team emerged as champions in the tournament, beating Purnapani team by 4-1 goals. Mr. A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, inaugurated the event. Mr. P.K. Satpathy, EDP&A RSP presented trophy to the winners and runners-up teams.
Rourkela Steel Plant bagged the prestigious Green Tech Energy Conservation Award 2021 in Platinum category. RSP also bagged the Green Tech Effective Safety Culture Award 2021, Green Tech HR Award and Green Tech Award for Environment Management. The steel plant won the Energy Conservation Award in the Eastern Region ENCON Award 2021 from Confederation of Indian Industry CII. RSP was adjudged with 4.75 star energy rating, which is the best ever for RSP and also best in the sale. RSP was felicitated at the Commissionerate Office of CGST and Central Excise Rourkela for being the highest GST payer under the Commissionerate and also for exemplary tax compliance for 3 consecutive financial years, that is from 2018 to 2021. RSP shone at the 15th Global Communication Conclave organized on 17th and 18th of September 2021 at Goa under the auspices of Public Relations Council of India. The steel plant won 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze and 1 consolation awards in the conclave. RSP also bagged the prestigious People First HR Excellence Award 2021 in 2 categories.
A team of 4 employees from Instrumentation Department has won the coveted Vishwakarma Rashtriya Puraskar Award in Class A given by the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. Mr. Amrendu Prakash, Director in charge BSL and RSP felicitated the winners in a function organized on 6 December 2021. The team of executives from RSP comprising Mr. Prakash Chandra Sahu and Mr. Vikrant Kumar Patel, both managers of Finance and Accounts Department, and Mr. Biswajit Jaina, manager of Instrumentation Department, brought laurels to the country by bagging 3rd place in the Global Management Challenge GMC International Finals held at Nizhny Novgorod, Russia from 27th to 29th September 2021. It is noteworthy that GMC is considered as the world's largest strategy and management competition. The young trio also emerged as the first runners-up in the Director Personals Cup Ranniti 2020-21. The competition was organized in an online mode. 2 employees of RSP, namely Mr. Manas Ranjan Behra, Senior Technician, Steel Melting Shop 1, and Mr. Badal Kumar Kar, Senior Operative, Pipe Plant, bagged prestigious awards from the Joint Committee on Safety, Health and Environment in the Steel Industry JCSSI for the year 2020 in Safety Poster Competition. It is worth mentioning here that both Mr. Behra and Mr. Kar have bagged the award for a hat-trick 3rd year in a row. Mr. Sampad Mishra, Senior Manager Refractory Engineering Services, bagged the 2nd prize in the Udan East Zone competition conducted by NHRD Ranchi and SAIL.
So viewers, these are few glimpses of the year gone past, some epoch-making and some evoking nostalgia. We are confident that 2022 will weave its own gossamer fabric of hope, enthusiasm, excitement and thrills. We wish you and the members of your family a year liberally sprinkled with the myriad moments of fun, joy, peace and happiness.
We would like to remind our viewers that the threat of COVID-19 is still looming large. Please adhere to COVID-appropriate behaviors and get yourself vaccinated when your turn comes. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you.